Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new TCL 10L. Okay, so this device has a 48 megapixel camera, but unfortunately it's really not the best. It does take some decent pictures and it does record some decent video, but I found a working Gcam APK file on the internet and I've installed it and I've tested it out, and so far everything's working. And with this Gcam application, it does help to improve the photo quality and also the video recording quality. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to install it and I'm going to go through some of the features. So if you want to download this on your TCL 10L, I will link it in the description down below. The Gcam APK file, just download it from the description down below, place it on your phone's internal storage, and then just go to the file manager. Select internal storage and you will see the Gcam APK file right there. Just go ahead and install it. Yeah, so like I said, guys, I prefer to use the Gcam application over the stock camera application any day. Okay, so this is it, guys. It's installed. And we've got motion enabled there. Front facing camera's working. So we have night sight mode. Portrait. Camera. Video. And the more option there, we have panorama, photosphere, slow motion, time lapse, and lens. And we have some other features up here. Little shortcut for the settings. So you can use gestures as well with the Gcam. We have an advanced option there. And here you can change the photo resolution. So let's just do a quick little video just to show you that it's working. Working. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, so if you press it once, you'll snap a picture. If you long press on it, you'll start to video record. And this is the stock camera's layout. like I said, guys, I prefer the Gcam. Simply because it takes better pictures and video, guys. So yeah, if you want to install this on your TCL or your Android device, like I says, I will link it in the description down below. It's still in the beta stages, but I'm telling you guys, the camera's working perfectly well. There's no problems whatsoever with it. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've installed it. Let me know if it's working on your device. Also, let me know what device you have and if it's working. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses. Oh yeah, I will be doing some tests. I'll be testing the Gcam camera against the stock camera. I'll be taking some video recordings and some pictures and stuff. I will upload it onto my channel. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.